Hello, welcome to CloudWin. In this video, we are going to install Super Mario in a Docker container using an EC2 instance. So let's move to the task. I'm in my AWS console now. Going to the EC2 section, we will be creating a new EC2 instance. Launch instances. I'm going to name this Mario Docker. Selecting Ubuntu. T2.micro will be fine. Okay. Selecting my key pair. Along with SSH, I'm going to add HTTP traffic as well. Launch instance. Click on the instance ID. Yeah, let's refresh this. It's still pending. We are running now. Let us log into let us access to a server. I have my Ubuntu terminal here. SSH-i WordPress store health Ubuntu at the IP. Yes. Okay, switching to root. Updating the packages. Okay, and I have a note here. I will refer that. Here it is. These are all the steps to install Docker. If you are using any other distributions like CentOS or something else, you can refer other documents. This is to install Docker in Ubuntu. I'm copying this. Going back to my notes. Done. Done. To update. Okay. apt update. It's done. Now cache. Done. Now install Docker. Docker ce-y. Okay, it's done. Let's check the service system cd status. Docker is running. So pull the image from the Docker hub. This is the image I'm going to use. I'm not the creator of this image, thanks to the person who created the image. Okay, it will take some time. Let us wait. It has been done. Let's let us check for the images. The images. You can see the image is here. run a container image for that broker run dash it dash b. Here we are going to specify the port 80 so that we will be able to access it through the 80 port, and if we call the 80 port then it will be redirected to 8080, that is our container port, and we need to mention the image here. Here it is. Let's try. Okay, now let us try to access the 80 port of the server. Everything is fine. We can play the Super Mario. Okay, Super Mario is loading. Okay, so that was a quick video. We will be installing this Super Mario through ECS and also from I will be uploading the video shortly. Please stay tuned.